everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. This is a collab that was hosted by Scrappy Tate Paulette here on YouTube, and everybody that participate are amazing crafters, so I can't wait to see what everybody created and received. If you are not subscribed to their channel, please go over and subscribe. Anyways, thank you.
You guys, this is our final day. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. So thank you everybody that has been watching and commenting. Um, oh my goodness. Thank you, Paulette, for hosting an amazing um, 12 days of Christmas. As you guys could see, this was what I am sending my partner Stace for the 12th day. She already did a video. If you guys want to go over and watch, yes. I did make this little cute tote, and I thought it was so adorable when I made it. Oh my goodness. And I saw this sock monkey cup, and I hope she likes it. I did also send her some cookies, so hey, just uh, maybe put him out for Santa if needed. Anyways, you guys, thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Again, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and don't forget to check everybody else that participated in this collab. Um, yeah, I had so much fun watching everybody's videos. So if you haven't watched, go over watch everybody's videos. Thank you again. Bye for now.